So today we get another geometry box. Let's unbox it. This is a red one. Although I don't like this, but I can't do anything, as they sent me this one. I wanted the green one. So let's see everything is fine or not. Over here, first of all, we see a plastic sheet. Then everything is on red color. We got a pencil. This is the tool. Maybe you are over here. I'll show you later how to use this. But for some little information, okay, let me just show you guys how this works. So I hope you know what is the name of this. This is like a compass. With this compass, you can just use this new device or whatever you think, like the big way, like you can make a big circle with this. So yeah, that is the work of this box. Alright, then next we get another, what do you call this? I don't really know the name of this, but this is also a type of compass, I guess. Anyway, then we see the same way every geometry box supposed to keep ruler, then square and other stuff, and the scale, and finally a key to adjust the compasses. Then a red color sharpener and a eraser. So yeah, that's what they're providing. Not bad, not good. Okay, let me just, I think firstly the scale, and this, then this, and I guess like this.